Mechanical Engineering, Thiagarajar Polytechnic College, Alagappanagar, in association with SITTTR, Kalamassery. Let us begin this meaningful session with a silent prayer. Now, I invite Sri Sindhu CJ, Head of Department Mechanical Engineering, to deliver the welcome address. Sir, please.
Good afternoon to everybody. It is with immense pleasure that I welcome you to all to the Valedictory function of our three-day faculty development program on faculty empowerment in quality, industrial system and safety, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering in association with SITTTR Kalamassery. Over the past 3 days, we have had the privilege of listening to distinguished experts who shared their valuable insight into Lean Six Sigma, Industry 4.0, fire and safety, supply chain management, operational excellence, and many other relevant areas. I believe this FDP has added significant value to every participant, equipping us with tools and perspectives essential for academic and institutional excellence. On behalf of our institution and the organization committee, I extend a very warm welcome to Srimati Sinimol KG, Joint Director, SITTTR Kalamassery, who has always been guide, light, and strong supporter of all quality initiative in technical education. We are honored by your presence today. Ma'am, welcome you. I extend a warm welcome to our respected principal, Mr. Lijo John, whose constant support and leadership in all our academic initiatives. Sir, welcome you. I also warm welcome to Srimati Deepa Kaya, Deputy Director, SITTTR Kalamassery, and extend heartfelt greeting to all our department heads, faculty members, distinguished guests, and enthusiastic participants who have made this program a grand success. Let us take this occasion to celebrate learning, collaborating, and the spirit of continuing improvement. Thank you, and once again, I welcome to all.
Thank you, Sindhu sir, for the welcome speech. Next, I invite our respected principal, Sri Lijo John, to deliver the presidential address. Sir, please.
Respected SITTTR Joint Director, Sinimol Teacher, Deputy Director, Deepa Teacher, esteemed resource persons, dear participants, a very good afternoon to all. It's a proud moment for all of us here as we conclude the FDP on faculty empowerment in quality, industrial system and safety. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the participants, coordinators, and resource person for the successful completion of this enriching program. Staying updated is essential in this fast-moving technological era. I strongly believe that this program has truly fulfilled its intended aims and objectives. At this juncture, I appreciate the efforts of the Mechanical Engineering Department headed by Sri Sindhu CJ. I also appreciate our faculty members, Dr. Silan and Ben Austin, for organizing such a meaningful initiative. I also thank all the resource persons who shared their expertise. As far as the Polytechnic community is concerned, we play a major role in bridging classroom knowledge with real-world industry demands. Hence, the knowledge gained from the FDP will support you in that sense. Apply the insights gained from the FDP to enhance the learning expertise, learning experience of the students. I wish you a continued success in our academic journey. Let me conclude by thanking you once again for your active participation and contributions. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Lijo sir, for the valuable words. Now, we are honored to have with us a distinguished guest who has always supported academic initiatives, Srimati Sinimol KG, Joint Director, SITTTR Kalamassery. I invite Madam to deliver the valedictory address. Ma'am, please.
Dear all, a very ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ. അപ്പോൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ 3 ദിവസമായി നടക്കുന്ന നമ്മളുടെ FDP എല്ലാവർക്കും വളരെ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ എഫക്റ്റീവ് ആയിരുന്നു എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു എങ്കിൽ കുറച്ചും കൂടി നമുക്കും കാര്യങ്ങൾ അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയാമായിരുന്നു. എങ്കിൽ തന്നെ 48ഓളം പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസ് ഉള്ള ഈ ഒരു FDP 3 ദിവസക്കാലം വളരെ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് അനുഭവവേദ്യമാക്കുവാനായിട്ട് സാധിച്ചു എന്നറിഞ്ഞതിൽ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. അപ്പം ഇനിയും ത്യാഗരാജ പോളിടെക്നിക് കോളേജിലെ വിവിധ ബ്രാഞ്ചുകളിൽ നിന്ന്, അതുപോലെ ഇപ്പോൾ നിലവിൽ നടന്നു പോകുന്ന ഈ FDP ഉള്ള മെക്കാനിക്കൽ ബ്രാഞ്ചിൽ നിന്ന് ഇനിയും ഇതുപോലുള്ള നല്ല നല്ല വിഷയങ്ങളുമായി നിങ്ങൾ മുമ്പോട്ട് വരട്ടെ എന്ന് ഞാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുകയാണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട എല്ലാ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസും അവനവന് ലഭിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഈ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിൽ കുട്ടികൾക്കായിട്ട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ നമ്മുടെ റിയൽ വേൾഡിൽ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി ഡിമാൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇതുപോലുള്ള കോഴ്സുകൾ ഒക്കെ അനുഭവവിദ്യമാക്കുക, അത് മറ്റുള്ളവരിലേക്ക് പ്രായോഗികമാക്കുക എന്ന് മാത്രമാണ് എനിക്ക് ഈ സമയം പറയാനുള്ളത്. ഈ 4 മണിക്കൂറാണ് നമ്മളുടെ ഈ ഒരു FDPയുടെ ഒരു ഷെഡ്യൂള് എങ്കിൽ തന്നെയും ഈ ഒരു 4 മണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ട് മൊത്തത്തിൽ എല്ലാം കവർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാകും എന്നുള്ള ഒരു വിശ്വാസം ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പം എല്ലാവർക്കും അത് അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ചോദ്യം കൂടി ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു FDPയുടെ ആ ഒരു ടൈം കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഇനി അടുത്ത ഒരു സമയത്തും കൂടി അതിനെക്കുറിച്ചുകൂടി ആലോചിക്കണം എന്ന് മാത്രം പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട്, കാരണം ഇതിൽ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന എല്ലാവരും പല FDPകളും നടത്താനും ഒക്കെ ഉള്ളവരൊക്കെ ആണല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് ആ ഒരു സമയം കൂടി നോക്കണം എന്ന് മാത്രം പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാവർക്കും നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിൽ ഈ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്ത ഇത് പ്രാവർത്തികമാക്കാൻ കഴിയട്ടെ എന്ന് ആഗ്രഹിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഔപചാരികതയുടെ പേരിൽ ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യുന്ന അറിയിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ ചുരുക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.
Thank you, madam, for the thoughtful and encouraging words. Now, to give us an overview of the 3-day FDP program in highlights, the session and outcomes, I welcome Dr. Silan Tharagan, the FDP coordinator and lecturer of Mechanical Engineering Department, to present the program report. Sir, please.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. It is my pleasure and privilege to present the program report of the 3-day FDP on faculty empowerment in quality, industrial systems and safety, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Thiagarajar Polytechnic College, Alagappanagar, in association with SITTTR Kalamassery. The FDP was conducted from July 28 to 30th with the primary objective of enriching faculty members with insights into quality enrichment practices, evolving industrial systems, and safety awareness in institutional and operational contexts. On day first, the session began with an insightful talk by Dr. Ramdas, who delivered a comprehensive overview on Lean Six Sigma with Industry 4.0, highlighting its significance in modern industrial processes. In the afternoon session, Professor Adarsh MS addressed the crucial topic of fire safety and role of fire safety awareness in educational institutions. It offered a practical perspective on ensuring safety compliance. On the second day, the first session was taken by Dr. Sajan MC, who focused on process improvement for organizational performance, emphasizing data-driven approaches for continual enhancement. In the afternoon session, Dr. Eldos KK elaborated on inventory control and scheduling approaches in operations management, which was well received for its relevance to both academic and industry settings. On the last and third day, the day began with Dr. Joby George, who presented a foundational session on Introduction to Supply Chain Management, providing clarity on global supply chain dynamics. The concluding session was by Dr. Ramkumar PN on operational excellence in practice, focused on scalable impact strategies in manufacturing SMEs, drawing from practical case studies and industrial applications. We are proud to share that around 48 faculty members from various polytechnics across Kerala actively participated in this program, engaged in discussions, and provided encouraging feedback on the relevance and quality of the sessions. I extend my heartfelt thanks to SITTTR Kalamassery and our respected speakers, respected beloved principal, Dr. Sri Lijo sir, and the entire organizing team for their cooperation and enthusiasm. I also sincerely appreciate the support of heads of departments and faculty members from all the departments for their continued motivation and presence throughout the program. Let this FDP be a stepping stone to more collaborative and enriching learning journeys in the future. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Siren sir. Let us now hear a few words of felicitation from our esteemed guest. Now I invite Srimati Deepa KR, Deputy Director, SITTTR Kalamassery, for the felicitation. Ma'am, please.
Thank you. Most respected Joint Director of SITTTR, Srimati Sinimol Miss, most respected Principal, Thiagarajar Polytechnic, Lijo sir, dear participants and dear my dear colleagues of Thiagarajar Polytechnic. So on this final day of this FDP, I just hope that you all have acquired the specific outcome of the FDP that we have planned. Also, I just believe that you all have received the updated skill that has been prevailing in the topics that has been proposed. Also, I do expect that all the participants that have been present here will be returning to their institution with an ignited mind on the that has been proposed by the Thiagarajar Polytechnic. I also take the opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to the principal, the coordinating team, the FDP coordinators, as well as the resource persons that have taken time to organize this FDP for its successful completion as part of NBA accreditation. Once again, I just hope that all participants will surely, that we all know that we are doing a noble profession. So with that in mind, you all will return to your parent institution with the knowledge that you have acquired and will surely share it with your fellow faculties as well as your dear students. Once again, wishing you a very good luck for your future professional journey. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words and best wishes. Now I invite Sri Sebi NP, Head of Department, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, to offer his words. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, all respected dignitaries, distinguished guests, and dear participants. First, I congratulate Mechanical Engineering Department of Thiagarajar Polytechnic College for successfully organizing this FDP on empowerment in quality, industrial systems, and safety. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the resource persons and participants who made this FDP a remarkable learning journey. Over these days, we have explored critical themes on quality standards, industrial best policies, and safety that are essential for both educators and future professionals. Dear participants, thank you for your enthusiasm, insights, and willingness to learn, share, and grow. It is your active involvement that made each session more interactive. Let us carry forward lessons learned into your classrooms, our projects, and our institutional policies. Once again, thank you all for your presence and participation. Wishing you all continued success in your academic and professional journeys. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and best wishes. Finally, we have with us Srimati Sino Francis, Head of Department Civil Engineering, to facilitate the event. Ma'am, please.
Good afternoon, everyone, distinguished guests, and dear faculty members. It gives me immense pleasure to offer my heartfelt felicitations on the valedictory function of our faculty development program organized by the Mechanical Engineering Department. I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to all the resource persons who have enlightened us with their rich knowledge throughout the program. My heartfelt congratulations to the organizing committee of our Mechanical Engineering Department for their hard work and dedication, which has ensured the smooth conduct of every section. Lastly, I congratulate all the participants who have actively engaged, shared ideas, and made this program a great success. Let us carry forward the learnings from this FDP into our classrooms and continue to grow as educators and learners. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words and best wishes. Now it's a time to hear from the participants. I now open the floor for the feedback session. Here, the participants can share your thoughts and experience from the past 3 days. Anyone can brief your experience regarding the topics, sessions?
Good afternoon, sirs.
Good
My name
afternoon.
is Kamal. I am working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department in Sri Rama Government Polytechnic College, Thrissur. First of all, I would like to thank SITTTR Kalamassery and the team Thiagarajar, the organizers, for conducting such a wonderful FDP program. The FDP is actually named the Faculty Empowerment in Quality, Industrial Systems and Safety. Actually, the subjects as well as the resource persons were very thoughtfully selected so that each and every sections during the program were really interesting and meaningful. Then actually the core areas which covered during the program were lean manufacturing, then Six Sigma, supply chain management, again operational research techniques for reducing waste and inventory. Again, this last operational excellence, then some related to our machine utilization, effective utilization of machines, which I found very interesting for reducing the time and money as well as wastage. So such topics actually I find it's very relevant in the day-to-day life, and also I think we can means we can already deliver some lectures regarding this to the students for their improvement for their life. So I think this session, the all the topics in this session were, means in the program were very relevant. Once again, I would like to thank SITTTR Kalamassery as well as my friends and the organizers, the faculty members of Thiagarajar Polytechnic College for conducting such a wonderful FTP. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kamal sir. Anyone else to give the feedback? Any feedback or suggestion from participant side? If no other suggestion or feedback from participant side, I think we can move to the vote of thanks session. So, respected dignitaries and dear participants, a very good, very sorry, a very good afternoon to one and all. It is indeed a great honor and privilege for me to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Thiagarajar Polytechnic College, Alagappanagar, on the occasion of the valedictory function of our 3-day online FDP on faculty development in quality industrial system and safety. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Srimati Sinimol KG, Joint Director, SITTTR Kalamassery, for gracing this occasion and delivering the valedictory address. Your inspiring words and have added great values and encouragement to all of us. Thank you, ma'am. I deeply grateful to our principal, Sri Lijo John, for his continuous support, motivation, and for presiding over this session. Your guidance and leadership have been the cornerstone for this successful program. Thank you, sir. A special notes of thanks to our head of department, Sri Sindhu CJ, for his valuable involvement and for delivering the welcome address. Thank you, sir. My sincere appreciation to Dr. Silan Taragan S., the coordinator of this FTP, for his dedication and effort in the organizing and managing all aspects of program efficiently. And again, we are thankful to our esteemed guest who delivered the felicitation, Srimati Deepa Kayar, Deputy Director SITTTR, Shri Sibi NP, HOD of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Srimati Sinu Francis, HOD of Civil Engineering. Your presence and kind words were truly encouraging. To all the resource persons and speakers who shared their expertise and insights during these days, a big thank you all enlightening for our faculty members. I also thank all the participants from various institutions for their active involvement, insight, feedback, and enthusiasm throughout the sessions. Lastly, a warm thanks to the technical team and supporting staff, including SITTTR, who worked in the background to ensure the smooth conduct of this online FTP. Once again, thank you all for your valuable presence and contributions. Wishing everyone continued learning and professional growth. Thank you all. So we are officially winding up the session. So once again, thank you everyone for your presence and active participation. With this, we are concluding the valedictory session of our online FTP. Wishing all of you all the very best and hoping to see you in the future program. Have a great evening. Thank you.
Dear participants, two more things are remaining now. The first one is submission of the program feedback, and the second thing is submission of the test. Both this will be giving you through the Moodle session. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും അതെ ആ മൂഡിൽ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഈ രണ്ട് ലിങ്കും അതെ ഇന്ന് 4 മണിയോട് കൂടിയിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത്